Sorry. Hey guys, so we are at the arcade in the bowling alley. So yeah, so basically what happened is we were trying to, I just broke up noise. So we were trying to sleep all night in the back of the home and garden area at Walmart. So then we got caught by the people. I recorded that part of it, like just in time. The person telling us to leave and stuff and yelling at us to get down, and then we came here to this bowling alley, which I bought this soda and I didn't have enough. I put $2 in, or $2.40 in, and I needed $2.75. So I told the person they had to open the machine. And then this game, you know, this game, that guy over there was playing it, and he got the spin to win. He started spinning, he got 500, see? And then that didn't work, and it broke and everything. And then this part was like open. They opened it, and then like they didn't give him the tickets back. And then this game got broken. So him right over there, he was playing this, and he like smashed it back and forth, and then it like, I don't know, something happened, like broke. It just like broke. And I put a token in this game and it didn't work. So all of us had problems with the games, and then we climbed through that hole right there in that basketball game, and we were playing it, and then what happened was we snuck in, got the balls, and then we're sleeping behind in there. Okay? So let me just show you. Okay, so you might not be able to see anything, but right now, see that's the ceiling up there. So basically we're sleeping underneath this game. See, under here? This is the basketball game there. Hold on, I'll show you. This was that huge game there. We're playing it. So I won't sleep underneath it. So yeah. I mean, these fucking lights are so fucking cool. See what happened when I pressed it in? Hold on. See that was all 3 colors? I mean, all these games are broken. Don't.
Alright guys, so we're at our arcade right now. As you can see, it's also a bowling alley, but I can't really show you because there's kids right there and I don't want to record them. But we're going to be sleeping under these games right here because there's like an area under them that you can get.
We are at the,
like, watch. Go behind here and then back there you can lay down, and I don't know when I'll be back, but I'll be back.
Okay, so I have one lucky token left. I'm playing the game that stole all the money, Wheel of Win. Playing Wheel of Win. So up.
Should I shoot it from all the way down here?
Okay. 7. I thought it was still home. Okay, so yeah. Now let's see. The thing you put your tickets in is broken. Insert tickets or scan receipt. So you go like, it's not doing anything. You what? Okay, so I just found out you have to go up there to get stuff with your tickets. Because that machine is broken right after I just gave away like all my coins, all my tickets. I had like 20, he had like 500, and then he had like I got my tickets back. Yeah, so he had 5 actually. So yeah, I have 7, so let's see what I can get for that much. Okay, so we're going on right now. So if you're wondering why it's all messed up, it's because of the case. Yeah, this is where we're sleeping underneath this basketball game.
Alright guys, so we're in the fort thing. You see there's an arcade, and then here we are, we're under the arcade game. So yeah, I'll get back to you in a little bit. Alright, so we're in the arcade game right now.
Hello.
And then here's the time. 12:01 a.m. And I think it closes at 1 or 2. Yeah, I see 12:01. And I think it closes at 1 or 2. So I'll be back once it's like getting dark, I guess, when they turn the lights off. Or if they're like turning the days off or something. So I'll be right back.
So it is like 12:30. They close at 2. I'll do time check. You've been here for some time check.
It's a loading.
So, fucking spot.
Alright guys, so it's been, I don't know, about 30 minutes or something since the last time. Go. Time check. 1:03 a.m. And we're gonna try to stay under here for as long as we can and see what happens. Well, I'll see you when all the games turn off, I guess, or until something exciting happens. We unplug these machines, so we don't get caught, and so they don't come under here and unplug them. They still gotta unplug the ones over there, but that's fine. So I'll get back to you guys when something interesting happens. Alright, so we're still at the arcade, and as you can see, and it is getting the time check. Oh, he's looking up for a time check. 1:43 a.m. This place closes at 2, so I'll be back when it closes. Alright guys, so the alarm just went off. It's like 5 in the morning. Like we have to go like now because the alarm went off and it went like and like I thought I was screwed. See you later.